What's up, guys? Here in this video, I'm going to show you over 20 different exercises, all for you to use with your body weight. Let's go. Are you ready? Hey, what's up, guys? I'm in beautiful Long Beach, California. I'm currently at the beach, one of the beautiful beaches here that I'm going to say in Southern California. And just like I said here in this video, I'm going to show you over 20 different exercises, all for you to use with your body weight. Okay, so with these body weight exercises, you can pick 2, 3, 4, even 5 of them and make your own workout with these exercises that I'm presenting to you right now. Or you can just do it as a whole entire circuit. I know for myself, doing these exercises right now, it was definitely really tiring and I got exhausted, man. So enjoy the video. 20 different body weight exercises coming right up. Let's get it.